What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I got another unboxing, but this one is ×4 today. We have the new Cardi B line, and I wanted to show you guys how each different color and flavor looks. We're gonna get all into that, and I'm gonna also show you the pink pair, which was the pair that came out before these came out. These all came out at the same time, and then these came out right here. I'm gonna show you them in a second, but those came out with the yellow ones. They also came out with a white pair. It's a little bit different than the white pair I'm gonna be showing you guys right now. So let's get into it. So this is the same, the boxes are exactly the same. You guys can see right here, it says Cardi B right here, and then you have the Reebok symbol. These are Reeboks, and the box is just plain black, but it's a very sturdy box. It's not just your regular box. This one's very sturdy, so if you do ship it, this should get there in one piece. Okay, so that is the box there. And then I wanted to show you guys how these look, and these are sick, and they look different than these right here. And I'm gonna point out a couple features, but the main feature that's different is you have the clear right here. You could actually see through to the foot on the inside. And so you guys can see my finger right there. So that is the main difference. None of these are see-through. And then another thing is you have the cloth all the way in the back, right here where the sock liner is. It's cloth material, okay? Where these ones, it's kind of like the nylon material. And then one of the main differences I'd say is you have the suede coming all around the shoe right here in the front toe box, and it goes all the way around. And these do not have suede, okay? It's just one plain material across the whole thing. But they look exactly the same, but just different color. And then they still have like this like hard plastic all the way at the bottom. So that's what this pair looks like. So let's just get into these other pairs. So I have them unboxed just to save time, but I did want to show you guys like the sizes. All the sizes right here, it's size 10, 10, 10. The brown ones are gonna be size 11. If you guys are resellers, the bigger the size, the more money you're gonna get. For whatever reason, they're harder to come across, the bigger sizes. I did get all of these on foot sites. Foot sites are Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs. They do have them at Kids Foot Locker, but I didn't get them on there. We did get some on Eastbay. So that's where I got them, and I'm building up my Flex account. So if you guys don't know what that is, just check out my channel. I'll tell you all about it. It just helps you get more shoes, really. So, okay, let's get back into it. Okay, so it's hard to look for the SKU numbers for some reason, so I kind of want to show you guys if it focuses in. I think it focused in. So the SKUs are right there, and here goes. Well, let me do the one without the tag so you guys could actually see it. Okay, so here you guys have it. Get my head out the way so it focuses in. And you guys could see that it does not have the suede, but it is still sick. And I do like the purple. So it has like that light purple and then a little bit darker on the bottom. I do like that two-tone and how they did it. It still has that exposed tongue right here, as you guys can see. Exposed tongue. Some of the Jordan 1s have the exposed tongue, so I do like that feature. And then you have the little loop right here. Looks like a pull tag, but it's on the actual tongue. Okay, so the inside, the sole, you guys can see right there, it is also purple. So that's what the purple ones look like. They are called, I try to remember all the names, but I think it's called crisp purple. Okay, crisp purple. Don't quote me on that one, but I think it is crisp purple. So the tan ones, let me show you guys the box and the SKU. Hopefully, there we go. I think that one focused better. Okay, so these ones are called, the color is called Sahara. So I guess it's like the Sahara Desert because they got the tan going on, okay? So this is them right here. And this one is a different two-tone compared to the purple where you see it's like two shades of purple and it's pretty close. This one is that, you know, that tan color, plus it has the black sole, okay? So this one is a little bit different. It still has the exposed tongue. The cool thing is this this little rope right here, it's like that two-tone, where the purple one, if you guys seen, it was like all purple. So that is the main difference. This one does have that, I don't know, it's like suede back here. Well, let me show you guys so you guys can see it. It's like suede back here, so that is one difference right there. But for the most part, you guys can see it's the same thing right here. And I think that this one, maybe, I don't know, I wouldn't rock them, but I'm saying like out of all these colors, I think this is more of like a guy would rock this. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment box below if you guys are rocking these and if you guys are a guy. So I probably wouldn't rock those, but there they are. So let's move on to the third pair. And you guys can see right there, it's the skew and everything. And I think that these ones are like, these are pretty sick. I just like how it's the two tones and they kind of like, you know, they just bounce off each other. And I just really like how it, like the contrast of them, I could say. Okay, so now this one, okay, you guys do have the rope. It's red and it's black. You still have the exposed tongue, but you guys could see it's like the black and the red. I'm trying to remember what the red, oh, it was Vector Red. Okay, so this red sole right here that you see, it is called Vector Red. And same thing all the way in the back. This one looks like that. It's a little bit of rougher suede. And this one, actually, it's also called rose gold is also in it, and that's because this Reebok sign right here, if you guys can see it, it's rose gold color. I don't know how well it looks on the camera, but it is a rose gold color, and also the Reebok symbol right here in the front. And you guys, they're pretty sick. I think the ladies are gonna love this one right here. I forgot to mention about the purple pair. So the purple pair flew off the shelf. Out of all these pairs right here, I'd say the purple one is the most in demand. I was lucky enough to get 3, but you know, I was on there. I was on Foot Locker, and I was there right at the time when it opened up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm in San Diego, and you know, you're able to order multiple pairs. So I went ahead and did that. You do not need a bot. All these were bought without bots, so don't worry about the bot. Okay, so let's get into the last one. So the last one is a different price from the rest of them, and I'm going to show you guys why in a second. But I think that focused in so you guys can see the SKU number and all that good stuff. Okay, so all of these were $100, including the pink pair, $100. This white one right here, and there's 2 white ones. There's one that came out with these, and it's like that transparent, it does have that transparent on the side, and those are $100, exactly like all of these. But these ones are $110, so just be aware of that. It's only $10 difference, but I did want to let you guys know the difference. And this one, it has a main difference, but it's like on the shoelaces. So let me get my head out the way so hopefully it's focusing. Yeah, okay, so it has the pearls right here. You guys can see, so it does have like the gold, it has the pearls. This one kind of has, it looks like a chain, like a necklace. And then this one has the bling bling diamonds on it right here. So I think that's a pretty cool touch. I don't know if that's worth $10 in my opinion. Probably not, but you know, if you guys think it's worth $10, you go ahead and go for it. So it does not have that suede in the background, so that's a little different touch here. And you guys can see it's white on white, and this white looks more like a clear versus like the white color. And yeah, I mean, it still has the exposed tongue right here. You do have the rope, which looks like it's kind of like off-white colorish, and then white right here. There we go. Let me get you guys a good little close-up of this. And then you guys could see like it kind of like, you know, kind of flips over and all that stuff. Once you have your foot in there, it might just stay, and then you got to tighten up the laces if you want those, you know, those things bling in, and that way, you know, you can show off your shoe. But that is my review video of the Cardi B's. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and like. Any questions, any comments, go ahead, comment box below. Consider subscribing, and I will check you guys out in the next video.